In this tutorial, I'll create 3 types of mushroom. The super mushroom, which is red with white dots, the 1-up mushroom, which is green with white dots, and the poison mushroom, which is purple with pinkish dots. Here, you can see the 4 materials from the super mushroom: the dots, the color, the skin, and the eyes. Let's start with the color material. Press Shift+A and add a color ramp node. Since we need 3 colors, let's add another color stop and spread them out evenly. Click to add a stop, set interpolation to constant, then go to Tools and choose Distribute Stops from left. Now let's set the color for each color stop. On the first one, set it to red. I use the hex code FF3333. On the second one, set it to green. I use the hex code 00B212. On the third one, set it to purple. I use the hex code 7F00FF. Now connect the color ramp's color output to the second mix color's color B input. Notice how all the mushrooms are now green, like the 1-up mushroom. That's because the second color stop covers values from 0.33 to 0.66, and the factor is set to 0.5. If you set the factor below 0.33, the color changes to red, and if you set it above 0.66, it changes to purple. So to give each copy a different color, we'll use a random value for the factor. Press Shift+A again and add an object info node. Then connect the random output to the color ramp's factor input. Now each mushroom has its own color. To finish, let's set the poison mushroom's dots to pink. Select the color ramp and object info nodes, then press Ctrl+C to copy. Next, go to the dots material and press Ctrl+V to paste. Since the red and green mushroom share the same dot color, we can delete the green stop. The first stop now covers both red and green, from 0 to 0.66. Now let's set the color for each color stop. On the first one, set it to white. I use the hex code FFFFFF. On the second one, set it to pink. I use the hex code FF4CED. Finally, connect the color ramp's color output to the second mix color's color B input. And that's it. That is how you set random colors in Blender. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps the channel grow and let me know you enjoyed this kind of content. And if you want more Blender tutorials and 3D projects, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.